Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can add Facebook as your login option for your Pinterest account. So, let's get started.
Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started.
First of all, open the Pinterest app on your device. Now, tap on your profile icon and then select on the three dots icon. Next, tap on Settings and then open Security and Logins. Now, tap on the login options and then toggle on the button beside Facebook. Now, you'll be asked to continue. Tap on the continue button and then select the open option. Log into your Facebook account and that's it. After that, the Facebook account will be linked to your Pinterest and you can log into your Pinterest account through Facebook as well.
Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.